Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone not connecting to Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to cast their iPhone onto their Samsung Smart TV, but it's not working. Why isn't it working? Now I'm going to give you just one solution in order to check this out and fix this, guys. But the number one reason why in most cases that your iPhone isn't connecting to your Samsung Smart TV is because your Samsung Smart TV isn't connected to the same Wi-Fi network that your iPhone is connected to, okay? So do make sure that your iPhone and your Samsung Smart TV are connected to the same exact Wi-Fi network. Now, in order to check which Wi-Fi network both devices are connected to, you can click on your settings tab on your iPhone and then check what it says under Wi-Fi. And then on your Samsung Smart TV, you want to navigate to where it says settings here on the left hand side, and then you want to scroll down to where it says general and then click on network. So here you could actually open your network settings, or you can check the network status to also see what Wi-Fi network your Samsung Smart TV is connected to. But once both are connected to the same exact Wi-Fi, you want to grab your phone and then swipe down and then click on screen mirroring and then click on your Samsung Smart TV. So as you can see, I am now mirroring my phone onto my Samsung Smart TV. But I hope you guys found this video helpful. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix iPhone not connecting to Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.